This is our first career fair that we have had here in probably 4 years. We invited over 35 businesses to participate, and we had a fantastic turnout with 33 to show up. All of our juniors and seniors had resumes ready to go. Our juniors and seniors also had participated in an activity where they practiced an elevator speech. So just 30 seconds to introduce themselves so that they didn't feel awkward when they walked up to a table. They were confident and they know what they're looking for.
Our students here are already prepared, and many of them are looking for summer employment. Some of them are looking for jobs just to work during the school year for next school year as part of our work-based learning program. And then some of them are looking for jobs as they graduate and they're going to enter the workforce. There's a lot of different employers that are looking for students that have different career paths, and we're just really pleased to have this event going on here today.
I think it can help a lot of people figure out that there's different things to do. Like, I'm pretty sure we have 6 different healthcare programs here, but they're all different. So I feel like that really helps people see there's multiple options for everyone.
The diversity helps because you can see like what you could possibly be doing. Construction work compared to the nursing, compared to the military, you can see the differences between them.
Our academy model really ties in all the elements of our student, our community, our employers, our post-secondary education organizations. Students are focused their freshman year on learning about those, what those look like, what potential jobs or career routes they could go, what required education's associated with that. And from the start of their 9th grade year, they're already starting to think about this stuff. This is kind of putting it on the forefront of their focus and giving them kind of the why behind the what.
We make sure that all of our students know what they're going to do post-secondary ed. If you want to go to college, fantastic. If you'd like to go straight to work, we want to make sure that we help you get the best job possible out there. And if you want to join the military, we want to make sure that you know what all your options are so that you're happy with what you'd want to do. And then also we just want to make sure that you know that this is your home, and if you change your mind and you feel lost, contact us and we'll help you get restarted.